Hello, I'm Sir Classy, and we'll be using Burna Boy's song BEBO, originally produced by Rexip on the beat. Yeah, so we'll listen to the beats and then we'll take it apart. Let's go.
Really loud.
All right, that's pretty much the entire beat. That's pretty much how the entire beat goes. So we'll take it apart. For this beat, I started with the chords, the chord progression. So let's listen. All right, let's see. This was the first chord from Nexus. Just use the piano there. Then this omnisphere. Then I played this from Nexus also. Yeah, that sound was from the Nexus guitar expansion pack. Um, then I play this melody from Nexus. Shakuhachi. So Shakuhachi, I use the Shakuhachi sound to get this. Then I added shaker loop. Yeah, so let's come to the drums now. So solo drums, yeah. All right, let's start with this. Let's see what's happening here. I layered several sounds. In Afro, layering can really up your game. So try to layer sounds to make it sound unique and make it sound full. So I use 3 different percussions. And when you're layering, use sounds like they're in the same family class. Like these are all percussions within this. They have kind of like similar sounds. Yeah. Let's see how that was played. Then the next I played is this. Is snare, still layered, a regular snare, a snare kind of like sounding like a shaker. Then this sound again. Then so layering is everything. Layering is everything. Then this, I think this is my kick. Even my kick is layered with this sound. Yeah. So I did layering a lot. Then the 808 sound. Let's listen to the 808. I use Angelic Bloodline. 808 Bloodline is an amazing plugin for 808s. That's what I used. Let's listen. So I made it like kind of like short so that to give the beat more bounce. I didn't want the 808 to sustain. Just kind of like the main beats. So let's bring it all back. Then here. Is the string. The string is typically just copying this chord progression here. It's not something unique. It's just copying this chord progression here. I use most of the time I use orchestra for my strings. So let's see what next here. Then I play this guitar solo. Let's see how it sounds on its own. I use Omnisphere guitar. Omnisphere has really great guitars for Afro beats. Their guitars are amazing. For all their sounds are amazing. Yeah, so that's why I just did there. Then yeah, that's pretty much how the beat went. Then the rows in this beats were really interesting. You can see how I did so many layers. Like, damn, the layers are much. But let's go into it.
Really loud.
So I use this reverse for the build up. Then for more build up. Then this is really where the main role is. And this one, I think, yeah, this two is where the main role is. This sound and this sound. But these other ones are just really for build up. This and this. Then this is just a crash. Then same thing. Then I have a clap here. Reverb with lots of reverb to make it sustain. So that's pretty much it. The song structure here is what Burna Boy did in this song is he used like most of the song sounded like a chorus. It was mostly repetitive. So like the beginning and the chorus were kind of like the same. Then they really the place that really stood out as a verse was this point. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. So song structures also, sometimes when you have an idea for a beat, or when you have an idea for a beat, the song structure can be a good place to start. You might think, let me have an intro first. Like this song, the intro comes first, and the intro builds for like 8 bars. The beginning was calm, then it was having a build up with the percussion coming in, then the drum was ushered in the verse. Yeah. Then we have a bridge here. So like after 8 bars, we have another 8 bar bridge. Then we have the main chorus. The chorus is for about 16 bars. I think, yeah, 16 bars. Then it just repeats. Second verse, 8 bars, bridge, another 8 bars, then chorus. But the second chorus here didn't get up to 16 bars. It's just about 8 bars. But then again, the way Burna Boy took the song, most of the parts sounds really catchy. Like he really used the hook all around in a lot of places. Yeah. Then this is the outro for about 8 bars. So yeah, that's pretty much how the beats came through. I hope it helps you understand how to make Afro pop or Afro beats. See you on the next episode of the Beat Breakdown. I remain your boy, Sir Classy. Cheers.